Everyone tells you to buy traffic. I'm doing the opposite. I'm buying traffic for you. Free targeted leads straight into your funnel. While most reps are burning $97 a month on ClickFunnels, sending prospects to company pages that forget them in 24 hours. If you're still doing that, you're not building a business. You're building someone else's. Stay with me until the end because I'm going to show you proof of 200 clicks, 70% opt-ins, and 142 leads in 30 hours. Actually, it's more than that, and I'll show you in a minute. Why most people fail with company pages and no follow-up, and how my rotator 150 done-for-you emails and duplication math add 128 per month per teammate to any program. Plus the exact $25 system that saves you $900 a year and pays 80% commissions on every single level. Quick favor, share this video right now with someone who's stuck chasing strangers. They'll thank you later. This is Home Business Academy duplication proof to make money online. You're wasting $97 a month on ClickFunnels when HBA is $25. That's $72 burned monthly, nearly $900 a year for pages your prospects forget about tomorrow and they've probably seen before. You send traffic to company pages, the company keeps the lead, not you. You don't follow up daily, attention dies, and so does your pipeline. You're grinding alone with no duplication, no leverage, and no system your team can copy. Meanwhile, I'm showing proof of leads, proof of duplication, at 80% commissions on every level. Stop renting results and start owning them. $28 rebill, $145 deposit, $176 monthly residual, pacing towards $2,112 in 12 months. Or your path, company pages, lost leads, no duplication. Or the smart path, you own the funnel, the list, the follow-up, 150 done-for-you emails, sell while you build. Each teammate can add up to $128 a month. No, that's not 6-7. That's scales. $97 versus $25. Saving $72 a month, again, nearly $900 a year, 30% commissions versus 80% monthly commissions. With HBA, you're not just building pages, you're building an affiliate marketing business that pays more, costs less, and duplicates faster. This is still Home Business Academy duplication, proof to make money online. If your face and brand aren't the entry point, you're a commodity. Nobody remembers another faceless link. You're posting daily with a funnel. That's content roulette. It vanishes in 24 hours and never compounds. You're training people one by one and nothing duplicates. You've become the bottleneck. You're invisible to your own list. The only people profiting are the platforms you're feeding. With HBA, you own the funnel, you own the list, and every new teammate adds $128 a month potentially to your income. You can duplicate any of our bonuses. That's duplication that scales, even while you're offline. Funnel builder with full control. Traffic plugged in versus via my rotator. Yes, I'll buy traffic for you. 150 done for you emails doing the selling and telling. Daily steps your team can copy. And 50% instant commissions on training. Plus 80% commissions on core tools. And most of these things we're offering for free on every level except for the rotator. 200 clicks, 70% opt-in, 142 leads. I'm going to recap in a minute, just a minute. I'll be right back. I want to show you actual payment proof, okay? Be right back. Okay, remember these. These are my emails. 3450 to my bank, right? 8305 to my bank. 145 to my bank. Just about 12 days ago. And 650 to my bank. And there's more because I got a rebuild that I'm not showing. But I'm going to log into my bank account. And you can pause at any time. You're going to check those amounts. And make sure they're deposits. They're all to my bank. Okay? We're going to log in. And I bought this traffic, by the way, that I'm about to show you out of profits. Okay? I'm going to buy my traffic out of profits for my rotator. Okay? I can be sending this traffic to you that opts in over 75%. Okay? Now look. Here's $145 on the 10th. Again, look, that's a positive, not a negative, okay? Recurring residual income. Then we got 3450, 650, and 8305, just like I showed you. So I've shown you the emails. I've shown you my bank account. Now look at this. You see October 19th? Wait, let me see. It should say, okay, 100 different emails, okay, from the 19th to the 20th, and then I have 49 more emails. This is my solo ad that I could be buying for you. I had almost 75, I don't know if they're even done yet. I have 149 opt-ins. And look at this. I want to show you this. Not only did I have 149 opt-ins, I have 200, okay? I'm going to show you really quick the math. I'll be right back. Okay. 200 clicks, and I got 149 opt-ins. That's 75%, okay? 75% opted into my list, and they could be on your list. Would you have benefited from 75 leads? Because that's what I'm sharing, the first person to go all in on the 25, 10, and 125 level. Not only will I put you on my rotator and drive free traffic, leads, signups, and potentially sales, but you can have your own rotator. And guess what? If somebody wants to be in your rotator, they're paying you $128 a month. Okay? Can you scale with that? I bet you can. Okay? Look at this. More than that, I want to show you this. Look, 6 different leads. It was 5. 6 different leads from my the person I'm with, their rotator. Okay? Team Freedom Warriors, this is traffic coming to me from my mentor, from the person that brought me in, okay? So I don't just have 149 leads in the last 2 days. I have 155 and counting, okay? This is proof that we're sharing traffic. I will buy traffic for you, okay? Now, again, let's recap. 200 clicks, 70% opt-ins, 142 leads. Actually, it's 149. $72 a month savings for your ClickFunnels. That's 80% commission versus 30%. 128 month duplication per teammate. And if you drive my rotator, but if you don't, at any level, you get the training set I showed you. Okay? Now, traffic and emails plugged in. Check the description and pin comment. Grab your bonus, get in the rotator, and start duplicating. It's already working. You don't need more hustle. You need ownership, your funnel, your list, your follow-up, your duplication. You want to be the badass affiliate you always wanted to be, right? You want to live your dreams, your best life, right? I'll keep buying traffic and showing proof. You plug in, execute daily, and watch it compound, okay? Or you could get started and start getting the free leads for whatever business you want to build. We will help you build whatever business, okay? With this site. This site comes free at any residual level. So whether you get Let's Go, HBA Let's Go app, the HBA Funnel Builder, or HBA Premium, you get the site for free, okay? Enter the training room. 5 days a week, he helps you build your business at 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Look, you can watch the replays of the live coaching calls. The first step is to schedule a coaching call with our team leader, this guy right here. Okay? Look, you schedule a time. Okay? As a bonus, okay, this training site right here and this SWFW, Simple Freedom Warriors and Team Freedom Warriors, are the exact steps I learned how to dominate YouTube, which I'm about to show you right now. Okay? Now look. These aren't easy terms to rank for. Watch this. Make money online legit. Today's video, right? 14 hours ago, with only 15 views, sorry, we won't count any ads though. Third ranked video. Okay? Make money online scam. We are third video. Same video, by the way. How to make money online fast. There we are. I'm not going to even count this time. First page of YouTube, by the way. All three. Okay? How to make money from home online fast. There I am. Same video. How to make money online. Pretty much the hardest term to rank for, okay? It's going to be a minute, but this is today's video. Probably the second page of YouTube, okay? On the hardest term with just 15 views. Look at the difference. 301,000, 9,600, 2.3 million, okay? 3.5 million, but yet I am there with 15 views for multiple keywords, by the way. And the actual term, okay? Home Business Academy Blueprint, the #1 video. If this isn't results that concrete, I'm even ranking for make money online terms, that this works for you and will work for your team, we'll train your team. We'll build your team. We'll train them exactly how to make money online for you. And I'll even buy, if you do go with me at the 128 level, the 25, the 10, the $8, and make 80% commissions on each one of them. Now you get all my bonuses, and you don't just get my bonuses, you get to give them out as well. Think about it. Stop doing what the definition of insanity is, doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a video funnel. Okay? I'm going to go click right over here, right? I'm going to open a video. Okay. Now this is real training. Okay. Give me a minute and I'll be right back. I'm just going to let it load. All right. So I'm going to copy this title, right? I'm going to go to my funnel builder, right? You need a funnel. Okay. If you're sending people to company pages, you're basically invisible. Okay. You're building the company's email list. You're branding them. They're not going to remember you. And why are they going to buy from you? What makes you different from anybody else? What are you offering? What's your bonuses, okay? Are you training people how to attraction marketing? Are you teaching them how to get traffic, leads, sign-ups, and sales? Are you sharing traffic like I am? Okay? There's the title. Now we're going to get the share code, right? Copy and paste, simple. Nobody's teaching what we're teaching you. We have the best team. We have the best training. We have everything you need to build any business. And we even do it 5 days a week live. Okay? Copy. Go back. Now I'm going to change the video. Watch. Watch it change. Boom. Right there. Then you go. This is, again, advanced training right here. Why are you doing this? To create backlinks. You send this video to your email list.